Good day, gentlemen, ladies. Today is the my dedicated day for the cleaning of the RV. So I'm gonna use this soap to clean my RV. It's good for the roof, for the rubber roof, and also for the hanging cleaner, and also the general cleaning of the RV itself. Once it's for the black stain, like the slice of a stain, I'm using this product, and it's called for black streaks cleaner. It's a very powerful. However, you need to as soon as you apply, you need to brush it right away because it's dry really fast. Okay, it's not like a brake cleaner, but it's almost like looks like the same. So I'm gonna use that as I'm washing. I'm scrubbing the RV. I'm gonna put that, and you see the scrub away. Later on this week, I will put the minus 50 Celsius for the plumbing. Here, we definitely need stronger antifreeze for the RV because it gets cold. Now, once the RV is clean, that will be later on this afternoon. I need to protect the roof, the rubber roof, and it's made by Magic Boss. It's a rubber roof treatment. I'm gonna put that very close. All right. This is the same stuff. It's basically all the same. It's to protect the any rubberized roof of the RV. And it's also that's the stuff I use to protect the tower. The tower already been protected this spring. Remember when I changed the tower? So that will be my short video about that. I'm gonna speed up. You're gonna see me very. We all know how to clean an RV. One thing, a special mention I like to do before that, I inspect all my silicone bead. Make sure there's no water entrance, everything is good to go. I already did that this spring before moving the RV here, and again, I mean, not even 3 months after, I discovered and one was starting to rip off. So I double check everything. I put another silicone bead on it. All the RV products at the sales point center, they all have outstanding product here. I just discovered one. It's about not even 2 kilometers from here, and the service was outstanding. All right. So on that, let's go brush and clean my RV. Cheers. All right. So I just sprayed the water on my RV on the side I want to wash. So let's do that.
Seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He hath loosed the fateful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah.
Alright folks, my battery is almost empty, but I'm done. So after 52 minutes of hard scrubbing, washing and rinsing, I can say that my RV is clean. Now this afternoon, when everything is bone dry, I will treat the roof. You don't need to see that with the project I mentioned to you. It's the same project I was putting on my tower this spring to protect them against the bad UVs. The young lady at the shop, at the RV shop, suggested to me to do one roof treatment and then another one at spring. After that, I will still cover it with my same large tarp on the top of it to protect it against various harsh environment that we have during the winter. Here it's going to be the first time that the RV is going to hit, hopefully not minus 50 Celsius, but the antifreeze and the tubing will be done. You don't need to see that. There's so much video on how to put antifreeze for RVs. I don't blow here the tubing, I just fill up with antifreeze. So that does the trick, and it keep the tubing clean. And also after that I flush all the gray and the clear water. Not the clear water, just the gray, the black, gray and black water. All right. So on that, thank you kindly. Have a good one. Cheers.